This is the repair history menu page. Here you can see a list of your repair history of bookings you have made, either completed bookings, cancelled bookings, or pending bookings. They will all show up on your repair history. You can sort this repair history by date, also by vehicle, and also by the status of the booking. You can view the details of each repair history by clicking on the View Detail button. It opens up the full details of the booking, and you can use the Contact Support button at the top here if you need any help in regards to your booking.